All right, guys, today I want to do a quick unboxing review and setup of my new iPhone 16 Pro Max case. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. So I just got my phone, so we want to make sure it's secure. So let's go ahead and check out this case. It's got like a cleaning cloth for it. It's got a screen protector for the cameras, very nice. And it's got a screen protector for the actual display. Very cool. And then the case right here. Yeah, it's really nice. Go ahead and put the phone in the case, see how it looks, see how it feels. Ooh, yeah, it's nice and snug in there. I do like that it has that cutout for the new button right here. So you can see you're still able to operate it right then and there. Just push it there. Very cool. What I do like is that you can still use the MagSafe on here. It's got that magnetic charging on here. Let's go ahead and try it out. And there it is. And that's like really on there. That's just from the magnet right there. So very, very nice. I do like that. So especially if you're out driving and that's how you use like your maps or you have YouTube, whatever it is, that's going to be super useful to have that. You can still use MagSafe on there. So very cool. Man, it feels really like it doesn't make your phone super bulky, but you know that it's protected. It does have like a 3x protection on here. It does cover around the camera as well. And then once I put the screen protector on here, as well as the camera protection, like the whole phone will be covered and fully protected. So that's one of the things I do like. Just did get the phone today, so I just want to make sure it stays nice and secure. I'm gonna go ahead and give this case a shot. Like I said, it feels really good in here. Like it's not like slippery or anything. If you're looking for a new case for your iPhone 16 Pro Max, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.